Binance account verification failed. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can solve if our Binance account verification has failed, so make sure to stick with me till the end. Now if your verification on Binance has failed due to some reason, there are a couple of ways on how you can fix it. First of all, what you can do is you can simply open up the Binance application and then you will see this type of interface here. Now once you see this, what you actually want to do is you want to simply go to your verification tab and then see why it failed, because Binance will give you the reason why it failed. Sometimes it could be the problem is with the document or with the face verification. But here are the things to consider. Do not send a screenshot of your document. You have to send a valid ID, and if your document is handwritten, such as the names and so on, those are not going to get accepted. It has to be a printed document. The names have to be written in the printed format. Back then it used to be handwritten, but nowadays that's not the case. So you want to make sure it's not handwritten. Make sure that your face is also working just fine, which means that to remove your sunglasses or anything that you're wearing so that it can match with the photo on document, and keeping all that aside, you should be able to verify it successfully. So hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.